Hi everyone. First of all, thank you to you guys for showing such an amazing response for our CafeRacer kit for Hunter. We have been flooded with a lot of messages from you guys and asking us to make a dual seat, a Brat style seat for the Hunter. So today I am here to announce you the Brat kit for Hunter 350. So the Brat kit consists of three main parts. One is the subframe, second is the Brat seat, and the third is the tail tidy. Talking about the details about this, so this is a replacement subframe that goes directly on the motorcycle, and the seat is just a plug and play seat. About the tail tidy, on this the mount has been designed in a way that you can install the stock tail light and the turn signals on the same. So there are a few add-ons also in this Brat kit. So let me start with the front. So in the front we have the off-road fender. Second, we have the headlight grille to protect it from all the mud and the stone chips. Third, we have a Brat handlebar which helps you to achieve a very comfortable riding posture for going on long routes. Then the last option that we have is the side covers. The side cover helps you eliminate the additional gap between the chassis and the seat. It gives you a more cleaner and sleeker finish on the complete build. So let me talk about the key features of this kit. First, it's a bolt-on fit. You don't need to grind, cut, weld anything on your motorcycle. Second, there won't be any warranty lapse. So the warranties are very important, and that's one of the plus points to have this kit. Third, if any day you decide that you don't want to put this kit, you can go back to your stock condition. I hope you liked the Brat kit that we have made for the Hunter 350. The kit is available on our website. You can directly place your order through our website. Keep following us for more exciting builds like this, and do let us know your thoughts in the comment section.